subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you like fried yam with pepper sauce, you know the type you buy from the street, right? Okay, so if you like that, then this video is for you. I'm just going to be making a pepper sauce for fried yam. You can also use it on your plantain chips. You can also use it on your potato chips, fried plantain that's ripe, or even boiled plantain. It's a very good sweet sauce and it doesn't require much ingredients, just what you see here, and salt. I'm also going to be using ginger and garlic because I like it a lot in my food. So but basically what you need is just these two things and these two ingredients and salt. You can also add utazı leaf, that's if you want. I'm just going to be doing this, okay? So stay tuned, let's do it. We add the onion. Pepper blended. Look at it, it's coarsely blended, yeah? It's not finely blended. That needs to be added with ginger and garlic. Like I said, it's optional. I don't think those women add ginger and garlic to theirs, but it's a recipe I like, so it's one of the ingredients I like. That's what I'm adding it. Next is salt. Just add salt and that's all. Just have to allow it to fry. Okay. So guys, this sauce is done. It's done, right? It's done. Okay. So here is it. Very delicious. Very. So nice. So my fried yam should wait for me. I'm coming. So this is it, basically. So nice. You can see it. So this is where we call it a day, guys. Thank you for your support. If you're new to my channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button to subscribe. It is free. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, drop your comments. Let's discuss cookery skills, okay? Thank you guys. See you in another video. Bye.